and welcome to Microsoft Week of AI Season 2. My name is Ira Singh and I am your host this week. Allow me a few minutes to guide you through this virtual experience. Season 2 of Microsoft Week of AI is designed with 5 different modules, beginning with a keynote by a leading AI influencer and will reflect upon AI in industries. This will be followed by the main technical section covering topics on data science and conversational AI. The content is designed to prepare you for industry-recognized certifications. Hence, it is important that you attend all 5 sessions and make use of the Q&A with experts using the chat window on your screen. They will also be available to address your queries post each session. Do visit the demo zone for demo videos on AI topics and real-world examples, including industry-specific demos from the Microsoft Technology Center. There is also a networking lounge to chat with fellow participants and to submit the online survey. The Resource Center will be your content library for related white papers, tips and tricks, and to watch how-to videos. Do not forget to earn experience points and win exciting prizes, including exam vouchers. Points can be earned by participating in live quiz, visiting the Resource Center, downloading assets, and watching demos. To help prepare for the exam, you can access sample test papers for Microsoft GP100 and AI 100 certification. These test papers are available exclusively for the Week of AI attendees and will be uploaded on the Resource Center on day 5. Microsoft Learning Partners will also be available for a 2-week period post Week of AI to address your queries and help you prepare for the certification exam. You can write to them at woai-india@microsoft.com. I repeat, woai-india@microsoft.com. Thank you once again, and over to keynote of the day.
Hello guys, this is Utpal Chakraborty. I'm a data scientist and AI researcher. Currently I'm heading the AI vertical in Yes Bank. So I welcome all of you to Microsoft Week of AI 2.0. I hope you'll enjoy the entire event. I think AI is a landmark in the history of our technological innovations that has happened time to time in the past. If you look at it from a positive angle, AI is a blessing for the humanity because it has got huge potential to solve many of the unsolved problems which we have been trying to solve for ages. For example, the way AI is revolutionizing healthcare, medicine, space science, reusable energy, or even autonomous vehicles, and many more, is commendable. So, undoubtedly, AI is the future technology. It is already solving many of the problems, and it is going to solve many more in the future. In fact, we are currently living in the golden era of technological innovations. Technologies like AI, big data, analytics, IoT, blockchain, and other technologies in the fintech space are transforming every industry. So, like any other golden era in the past, this is also not only AI, but many other groundbreaking innovations that have happened at the same time, complementing one another to bring about this transformation. We can see the enormous scope of innovation, possibilities, and hopes for a bigger change in the coming years that probably has never happened in the past. Why this era of AI and cognitive is so important? Because if you look back to our history, industrial revolution has given the mechanical power to the machines, the power to do repetitive things in a much larger scale, faster, with more efficiency than a normal human can do. IT revolution in 80s and 90s has given the computational ability to the machines, ability to process repetitive computational tasks in a much faster and efficient way. But this time, artificial intelligence has given the cognitive ability to the machines. Cognitive skills includes ability to learn, analyze, reason, and apply those learnings. So machines and tools we are using are becoming more and more intelligent. And we as humans has always an inclination towards interacting with intelligent machines. So this time it is much more exciting, and that is the reason why industry has a huge focus on AI today. Applications of AI are not just restricted to one domain, but it is many more domains. and banking and finance being one of the major investors in AI. Now, Microsoft Week of AI is a great event and a platform for the developers and data scientists and AI engineers to understand and learn recent development that are happening in the field of AI, machine learning, deep learning, and other areas of cognitive science. For example, the new capabilities and the services that are released in Azure Cognitive Services time to time. The beginners or those who have just started their data science journey will be able to know the basics as well as the advanced topics like data preparation for the models, feature engineering, model selection, building, training the models, running validation metrics, hyperparameter tuning, and optimization. The audience will also get a chance to listen to the industry experts who will talk about their journey implementing AI in their domain and specific use cases, the challenges they have encountered during the implementation, opportunities, and the business values that it has brought about into their organization. This will be very helpful for the community as they will discuss about real use cases. So overall, it's going to be a great event to be part of and learn a lot of new exciting things in the field of AI. So now banking and finance industry has become one of the major investors in AI, and it is expected to feature a rapid growth rate in coming years. In the areas of fraud detection, the complexities of the financial crimes are growing exponentially with the increased digital footprint of financial enterprises. Hence, automatic financial crimes detection has become crucial for responding to such undue events timely, efficiently, and in a cost-effective manner, while minimizing the risks of the damage that has happened out of those. Automated credit card fraud detection is a classic case of machine learning or deep learning. So similarly, automating unstructured document processing using cognitive technologies has a huge scope in the document-intensive departments of bank and any other enterprises for that matter. Smart text and speech analytics solutions like customer email analytics using NLP and machine learning techniques to automatically identify emails of different categories. For instance, follow-up emails, emails seeking information, and presenting them in the form of a dashboard is a very big use case in BFSI domain. Similarly, speech analytics and processing solutions using NLP, deep learning are being increasingly used for monitoring and improvement of the customer care interaction quality, real-time conversational assistance and guidance to the agents during the live interaction with their customers. Other applications of text processing and NLG, basically natural language generation, along with other analytics, are reporting tools to automate the generation of different types of statements and reports, which may include banking and credit card statement, financial report generation, and numerous reporting activities that each department of the bank or financial institution does on a day-to-day basis. Providing banking and financial services to the customers through variety of digital channels like social media and other channels like chatbot and virtual assistants has become a necessity in the banking and finance industry, as it has been forecasted that conversational banking is going to take over all other forms, and customers would love to avail the same banking experience over multiple digital channels of their choice and ease. Similarly, AI-based authentication systems like multi-factor voice authentication along with face recognition with liveliness detection would be one of the strongest means for authenticating users for any financial transaction activities. In payments, AI is already transforming the entire payments landscape and soon will act as a channel for payments by itself. Intelligent payment methods will be embedded within a customer journey. A paradigm shift basically to it is kind of non-interventional way of payments and fulfillment of the transactions. Similarly, cognitive technologies are going to play a crucial role in smoothing and making the cross-border transactions cost-effective and frictionless. In recent times, intelligent identity management and smart security monitoring solutions are also gaining popularity. Most of those solutions are built on computer vision and speech-based technologies linked with vigilance camera or sensor, which can detect unauthorized intrusion criminals scanning any kind of weapons, violent activities inside the bank ATMs or lockers. These AI-powered systems can generate real-time alerts and notification, and thus can prevent any undue incidents inside your ATM or inside your locker. On a similar line, facial stress analysis for detecting ATM frauds are also getting popularity in many of the countries. So now in our case, we have started our journey building AI COE, and the first project that we have started is a building AI platform in-house. And on top of that platform, the first use case that we have developed is a transactional chatbot. It is a fully transactional chatbot into banking, wherein you can do check your account balance, do fund transfer, book fixed deposit, book recurrent deposits, apply for loans, apply for credit card related things, plus 25 odd transactions is available inside this platform. The idea behind the platform was to build a framework with very few loosely coupled AI capabilities, which we term as AI ecosystem or AI assets. The idea is that the AI ecosystem will consist of AI capabilities or AI assets that can be leveraged to build any AI use cases in a rapid development manner. Because if you want to showcase your concept to your business, it is better to build a MVP, which is minimal viable product, quickly, rather than like showing a PPT. Also, once the platform is ready, you need not have to ground up everything again and again for building any use cases. We use Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services extensively within our platform. For example, Bot Framework, Luis, Q&A Maker, and other cognitive services. On a high level, the platform has 5 main layers, starting with the data integration layer, and then AI core, AI application needs some kind of integration with the data sources. So that's basically the integration layer. So it is essential that your AI platform has a capability to integrate with different data sources, or it is capable of sitting on top of a data platform. It could be a distributed data system or a data lake. Secondly, the platform should be able to connect to different hosting applications or hosting channels to host your AI solutions. The channels of the hosting applications can be any of your enterprise applications and mobile apps, or public channels like Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype. Hosting channels can be even virtual assistants like Alexa, Google Home, Siri, and other voice-enabled devices. The core of the platform is an AI ecosystem where all your AI, ML, and NLP capabilities will reside, and you will have the option to pick and choose the best of the breed capabilities for building your AI use cases. These AI capabilities can be versatile, like cognitive text processing, speech, computer vision, cognitive search, advanced analytics, and many more. AI ecosystem may also consist of capabilities or even cognitive OCRs, automated capabilities like RPA. And of course, it is better to have a platform management layer wherein features like setup and configuration of the platform, monitoring and reporting of the platform need to be embedded within the platform itself. This layer essentially will become the base of your platform and will responsible for providing different services to different use cases running on top of it. In many cases, some of the infrastructure related stuffs also can be controlled within your this platform. As security is one of the key element of any platform, it has also to be accounted while designing your platform. So this is something your platform should look like. This is only few loosely coupled system, but that will basically give you a flexibility to develop your applications in a very rapid manner. You can do a lot of experiments and build a lot of what you call POCs, pilots for your organization, and you can showcase it to your business and your other stakeholders.
Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to day 4 of Week of AI 2.0. Today On day 4, we're going to learn about model optimization and deployment. A little bit about me. I'm going to take this session for you. My name is Bhavesh Kuswara.